journey to Atlantis now. And the battery's only 20-something%, so hopefully we'll get the other Infinity Falls in as well before it dies. Water ride, by the way, if nobody doesn't know that already.
yourself for a sudden slowdown.
Brace yourself, baby. Brace yourself. Woo! Here we go. Woo! I didn't think it was going to be the drop so soon, did you? That was brilliant. I love journey to Atlantis. Oh, we're so SeaWorld journey to Atlantis. Right down my chest area. You're stuck there, Rude. You hurt yourself. Oh dear, where? Huh? Oh, David's hurt his hip. So I'll stop filming now. It's finished anyways, the ride.